Here's our second example. First of all, we estimate, think about what our answer should be before we begin calculating. Again, the multiplication sign tells us the word of might be helpful here. I'm looking for a fraction of 3, and that fraction is less than a whole. So less than a whole group of 3, my answer is going to be less than 3. Now I move into my algorithm. Remember, the first thing we do is ignore the decimals because our algorithm just can't cope with them. So I just put in the 8. I'm not even worrying about that decimal at the moment. I'm just multiplying as if I had 8 and 3 and I would get 24. My second job is to think about those decimals, and I'm looking for the sum of the decimals, all of those in the two numbers. And I've only got one of them. Means that I have one decimal place in the answer, and that's there. Let's check it afterwards. Is my answer less than 3? Yes, it is. That's looking good. And if I want to be extra sure, I can think of 0.8 as 8/10. I can think of 3 as a fraction over 1, 3 wholes. And if I was to multiply those together, I would get 24 in the numerator, 10 in the denominator. I have 24/10. 24, and that's my tenths column, which means my decimal must be here. And again, I've got the right answer.